Hi guys, Agent Franz here, and I'm back for another tutorial. This time the tutorial is about how to check your non-citizen subletting quota. This is actually very important as I've encountered a lot of tenants who were doing it on their own and contacting property agent who is representing the landlord. They've already given their deposit, they even stamped the document only to find out that they're not really eligible to rent that flat in a particular block. So this tutorial aims to help those tenants. So this is the non-citizen quota for the subletting of flat. This was implemented last 16th of January 2014. So this quota aims to prevent the formation of foreign enclaves in public housing estates and will apply if any subtenant renting in the whole flat is a non-Malaysian SPR or foreigner. So as stated, this is only applicable for non-Malaysian Singapore permanent residents or foreigners who will be renting in Singapore. Of course, this is limited to HDBs, which is the public housing, and if you're going to rent a private condominium or a private house, then this won't be applicable to you. So just to give you an overview, there's a maximum proportion of flats that can be sublet to non-Malaysian non-citizen subtenants. So for the neighborhood, it's limited to 8%, and for the block, it's limited to 11%. So if there's a high concentration of foreigners, like for example, Indian subtenants, so they're only allowed to occupy 11% of the whole block. So when the non-citizen quota has reached the block or neighborhood limits, the flat owners will only be allowed to sublet the flat to Singaporean or Malaysian subtenants. Okay. And it's also stated here that this quota is not applied to subletting of bedrooms. Okay, to start off, let's just open a Google browser and then you can type the NC, which stands for non-citizen subletting quota. I will also put the link in the description below, so you just need to choose this. So once inside, you will see the details of the scheme. Okay. You just click this inquiry on the non-citizen quota for the subletting of flat. Just click that. Okay, so once inside, you need to choose whether you're the flat owner or the subtenant. So let's do the flat owner first. If, for example, I'm going to sublet my flat to non-citizens, just choose flat owner, put my block number. Let's use block 334 in Sembawang. Fetch the street. Then you can choose Sembawang Close, or you can also use the postal code, whichever works for you. Then you just need to choose if 1. All subtenants are either Singaporeans or Malaysians, or at least one of the subtenants is a non-Malaysian non-citizen. So normally if you're going to sublet this to foreigners, you will choose at least one of the subtenants is a non-Malaysian non-citizen. Okay, and immediately seeing the results, there is a summary here. We are inquiring as a flat owner for this specific address, and our subtenants are all non-citizens or Malaysians. So the result will be you can sublet your flat to Singaporean, Malaysians, or non-Malaysian subtenants. So meaning the result is you can sublet your flat to anyone, regardless whether they are Singaporeans, Malaysians, or non-Malaysian subtenants. So my tip is once you have done this, save it as PDF for your reference. Please take note that the information above is applicable for subletting application submitted in the month of January 2018. So it means that when you sign the tenancy agreement and you have already checked that you're eligible to rent your unit, you should immediately submit your subletting application to HDB. I'm going to do another tutorial on that, which I will be linking on this video as well. And that's about it. Okay, so now I'm inquiring as a subtenant if I'm planning to rent a unit in block 334 Sembawang Close. I'll go to this page. click subtenant. Okay, I need to type in my block 334 to block 334. Click get street, and the system will automatically get the corresponding streets. Choose Simbaong Close, which is the block that I'm planning to rent, and choose at least one of the subtenants is a non-Malaysian citizen, and click accept. Okay, so in summary, we are inquiring as a subtenant, and the address stated here. I'm a non-Malaysian non-citizen, and if I'm planning to rent in block 334, I'm eligible to rent in this block. I just need to save this for reference. Okay, and that's about it. If you find this tutorial very useful or very helpful to you, please share it with your friends, and hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you again on my next tutorial. Bye.